Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your TM31 isn't adjusting properly, it can make cooking a frustrating experience. This issue often arises due to a faulty potentiometer or panel. If left unresolved, it could lead to more significant problems, potentially rendering your device unusable. To get started with the repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement potentiometer. Make sure to have a clean work area ready and perhaps wear an anti-static wrist strap to protect your device. First, ensure your TM31 is unplugged. Carefully flip it upside down and locate the screws securing the base. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base away from the body. Be cautious as there may be wires connected that you need to navigate. Next, identify the potentiometer on the control panel. You can usually find it near the main circuit board. It may be attached with a couple of screws. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver. Once removed, carefully disconnect any attached cables. Take your time here to avoid damaging any nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take the new potentiometer and connect it in place of the old one, ensuring the cables are securely attached. Replace the screws to secure it, making sure not to over-tighten them, as this could cause damage. Once everything is back in place, carefully reattach the base of the device by aligning it correctly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Before you plug your TM31 back in, take a moment to check everything is in order and nothing has been left loose. Now, plug it in and test the adjustment function to ensure it operates smoothly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly check the functionality of your device and avoid any harsh cleaning methods that could damage the panel. Also, be mindful of how much pressure you apply when adjusting settings. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.